Hello guys, today another camping meal idea. This is a meal I've tried a few times, while we were out camping. I've worked on it at home a little bit to try to kind of perfect it a little bit. Basically, the Knor rice sides with some chicken and vegetables. This works out with to be a meal for two. So let's get started. Okay, first up, we start with 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, we put the Knor rice side in. Now the recipe calls for 2 cups of water, and all these canned goods have water in them, so it's going to cut down on how much water we need to add. There's usually about a cup and a half of water between all these cans. Plus you're going to need a little extra water to rehydrate the onion. These pull tops are so convenient. Hate it when I get stems in this. A little bit of onion. This is my first time doing with dehydrated onions, so this will be a learning experience for us. And last, a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm going to add about half a cup of water, maybe about 3/4. Stir it up. And we'll bring it to a boil. Of course, stir it occasionally, make sure nothing's sticking. There we go, starting to boil. And now that it's boiling, you can turn the fire down. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't stick and scorch. Yeah, it's starting to thicken up nice. Most of the water, the rice has absorbed most of the water. Pulling off a little bit of the excess. I like mine a little bit soupy. And of course, you can always adjust the amount of water you add to it for your taste. Yeah, it's just about done. Well, now that it's done, let's turn off the fire. And it's ready to plate. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.